Welcome to your new home in the heart of Central Harlem. An inviting and sun-filled 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom apartment nestled on the top floor of a well-maintained walk-up building. This newly renovated residence has been thoughtfully updated with modern finishes that offer both style and functionality. A kitchen boasts sleek quartz countertops, generous cabinet space for all your storage needs, and modern appliances that make cooking and entertaining a pleasure. Abundant natural light fills the space, creating a warm and welcoming atmosphere throughout. Located near East 115th Street and 1st Avenue, this apartment places you at the center of convenience and connectivity. The 6 train at 116th Street, as well as the 2 and 3 trains on Lenox Avenue, are just minutes away, providing easy access to Midtown, downtown, and beyond. Drivers will appreciate the quick access to the FDR Drive, while several local bus routes, including the M15 and M116, make navigating the city effortless. Whether you're commuting to work or heading out for a night on the town, everything you need is just steps from your door. From local groceries like Fine Fare and Ideal Food Basket to vibrant shopping along 125th Street, the neighborhood offers a blend of everyday convenience and cultural richness. Enjoy nearby lounges, cafes, and nightlife, or tap into Harlem's many community events and networking opportunities that continue to attract the likes of all from across the city. We are currently considering applications on a first-come, first-served basis. Don't miss your opportunity to make this beautiful space your next home. To learn more or schedule a viewing, contact U2 Apartment at 646-504-4483 and visit us online at www.u2apartment.com.